What's going on, people? It's gbpbaby. Welcome to another video. It's currently 2 minutes to midnight on Monday the 17th of July. This video is probably going to be quite short because not much has happened today. We had consolidation as expected. I'll make sure to link yesterday's weekly review and expectations because that's where I have all my my outline for the week. So I don't really want to be repeating myself this video, so this one's going to be quite short, and I highly suggest you go check out yesterday's video if you have not done so already. So we're going to start with dollar as per usual. Got the daily here, and you'll see I've just marked out this fair value gap that we traded into. You can see we wicked up into the 25% level of that fair value gap and then traded away. If you watched yesterday's review, you know that I'm expecting lower dollar, and yeah, we can look at on the 1 hour. You can see we pretty much just consolidated the whole time. This is Sunday's trading, came down. You can see there were some beautiful relative equal highs up here. I'll just mark that out now for us. There's a lot of lines on this chart, guys. So I do apologize, but you can see there's buy side liquidity. Price came in and took that, and then we started to trade away. You can see we're just kissing the low of this line here. This is actually the monthly fair value gap. I'll just show you that now. Again, please go and watch yesterday's video if you don't know what I'm talking about. But you can see that line is just this the low of this monthly fair value gap that we finished trading through last week. Just for reference, you'll see that I've also marked out this weekly bullish order block that I'm expecting price to want to draw down into, and potentially this monthly fair value gap, but we'll have to see. So yeah, not much has gone on. I didn't trade today because, again, after a week like that, I don't really want to be trading Mondays in general. It'll be interesting to see if we do want to start moving lower, because after we've done this run on buy side liquidity here, suggests to me that it's likely we're going to want to draw towards lower prices now. And yeah, there is still potential for us to come maybe snatch this high, because this 50% level of the fair value gap is still, you know, it's possible for price want to trade there. But if you look closer, you'll see how the bodies are respecting the fair value gap here. Like, price is continuing to respect this fair value gap. Remember, this blue one's the daily fair value gap, so price is continuing to show resistance at it, which means I don't want to see some kind of expansion away from it. So yeah, it's just a matter of waiting, and it'll be nice to see if we can pull down into that weekly order block, as I stated, is this orange line here. We'll take a quick look at GBP. Nothing too special here. Similar thing, this blue box delineates a bearish order block from a while ago, so I'm expecting us to find support in it, because it should now be acting as a bullish order block here. It was a bearish order block here. I'll mark that out, midpoint, and now this should act as support, which is why I want to see us trade higher into this monthly fair value gap. So yeah, nothing's changed, honestly, guys. Like, that's what I mean. This video is going to be very short. You'll notice I do have this box marked out though, and I'll show you why. I did mark out this breaker, so this is a potential buying area. I don't really want to say too much because, like I said, I'm not really trading Mondays, but you can see we got a low, high, low, low. So I've marked out that swing high here on the 15-minute, drag that out, and you can see our support is being found in it. So price is allowed to trade into it, but I don't anticipate it's trade any lower. But again, with this 50% level being here, there's always possibility price might want to draw towards that before moving higher. But again, it's just a matter of time. And remember, we're currently in a consolidation, so we are waiting on expansion. After consolidation comes expansion. So once we have an expansion, then we'll know exactly what's going on. We can get in on a nice, probably fair value gap on an expansion, and start to trade into this buy side liquidity resting above here. Remember, we've got these relative equal highs. So yeah, all is good. Pretty much the same on euro as well. Nothing too special. You can see we're just balancing on this 75% level. This is is it a weekly fair value gap? Yeah, this is a weekly volume imbalance. We haven't actually completely closed in yet. I'm anticipating that to happen and for us to trade up to this monthly bearish order block. So you can see we're just, you know, floating on this 75% level, and that's why I always grade my fair value gaps with the lower quarter 1 quarter, 2 quarter, 3 quarter, and 4 quarter. So it's important to see and watch how price, consolidates and works its way through these and steps up these levels to get to its target. But that's going to be everything, guys. Make sure to go check out the Discord. We've got there's a lot more members in there now, so I can see the community starting to become a lot more active. So make sure to join the Discord. I'll make sure to link it below. And again, if you haven't watched yesterday's video, I'll leave that in a link just above this video as well. So keep an eye out for that. That's everything, guys. This has been GBP Baby, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Peace.